Today is the 21st of October 2021 and we have Töölönkatu. Töölönkatu ensinnäkin is the only staircase with an elevator in this substantial building here in Helsinki and Finland. Beautiful. Oh, it's an Otis, look at that ceiling. This is this is rare also.
Yeah.
Very rare. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Wow. Amazing find today. And the number is 12810. This was, I don't know when it was built, but I'll check the information later. It will be inspected into next year, 2022. Possibly later in the 20s also. This is lovely.
Yeah.
Deserves two rounds, of course. Modernized sometime in the early 1990s. Or late 1980s. Strange that it's without information.
Yeah.
But it's very, very beautiful. It's one of the better ones in town.
Yeah.
And definitely very rare also with this sort of configuration on the ceiling.
Yeah.
Yeah. But the light should have been green.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a second silent ride.
Inspected by Kiva Inspector, maintained by Kone. And thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. That's